Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can transfer money from NexusPay to bKash. So in this one, we have 5 steps. Let's start with the first one, which is to select Fund Transfer. So just log into NexusPay account, and then the transfer to bKash is usually performed through the General Fund Transfer or Send Money section. So you just have to go there, and next is to select MFS or Mobile Banking. So you may see an option like send to MFS or send to mobile banking. So this route uses the NBPS or EFT network to process the transfer. Next is to choose bKash and account. So find and select bKash as the destination mobile financial service, and then carefully input the beneficiary's bKash account number and the account name as well, if required. So next step is to enter the amount and the OTP. So enter the amount that you wish to send. So the application will prompt for you to have the OTP sent to your phone or the NexusPay MPIN to authorize the transaction. And lastly is to confirm and wait for the SMS. So just have to tap on confirm. Transfers usually arrive quickly, but sometimes it may take a few hours depending on the bank processing. So you will receive an SMS when the money reaches to bKash account. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!